The traditional Italian Panzanella salad is a great way to use up leftover bread to create a deliciously crunchy and fresh summer salad. Elevate it with our Napolina roasted garlic and herb olive oil for that irresistible garlic hit. This recipe is perfect for an alfresco lunch or as a side dish at your next summer party. To make it, drizzle the leftover ciabatta with Napolina extra virgin olive oil, then place in the oven at 200 degrees for around 10 minutes until dry. In a mixing bowl, add the tomatoes, cucumber, shallot and capers. Then drizzle over the red wine vinegar and the Napolina roasted garlic and herb olive oil. Seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking and mix together well. Toss in the toasted ciabatta and basil leaves and mix together once more. Then leave the salad to sit for 30 minutes for the flavors to absorb. Then serve up into your favorite salad bowl and enjoy this refreshing and flavorful salad at your next summer gathering. Your guests will thank you.